Eleyi Lagbara o, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin òṣèré nollywood Toyin Abrahim àti ọkọ ẹ̀ Kola Ajeyemi? Òṣèré nollywood yìí sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìgbéyàwó ẹ̀ nípa ọkọ ẹ̀. Kí ló sọ gangan? Kí ni Toyin Abrahim sọ nípa ọkọ ẹ̀ Ajeyemi àti bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé? Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń ṣe tó bá ti lọ́rọ̀ owó nínú? Kí ló sọ nípa irú àwọn ọ̀wà tó lóun ò lè wò mọ́ nílé ọkọ? Irú èèyàn wo ni Toyin Abrahim sọ pé ọkọ òun jẹ́ níta àti pé irú èèyàn wo ló jẹ́ nú ilé? Orí prógráàmù kan mà ní Toyin Abrahim ti túṣu désàlẹ̀ kòkò lórí ọ̀rọ̀ òun àti ọkọ ẹ̀ Kola Ajeyemi pẹ̀lú bí ìgbéyàwó wọn ṣe ń lọ. Báwo ni Toyin ṣe pàdé ọkọ ẹ̀ àti pé ìgbà wo lọ̀rọ̀ wọn di ọ̀rọ̀ tọkọtaya? Kí ni Toyin Abrahim sọ nípa ìgbéyàwó ẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Adeniyi Johnson tóun náà jẹ́ òṣèré? Ọ̀rọ̀ jábọ́nú fọ́nrán yìí o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí Toyin Abrahim sọ nípa ọkọ ẹ̀ àti bí ìgbéyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Welcome to CrossBlog XTV. Remember to like, share, and follow us.
Lessons from the first episode.
Of course. I'm more matured. There are some things now I can't do. There are some things, then you just want to get angry at every little things. But now I'm so matured.
Yeah.
We have 2 kids. We have a boy and a girl. So
how do you draw the line between, work with him and being married to him? Does it ever cross? And, there are people who always say, can you really do business with someone you're in love with? When emotions get involved with money, it's quite dicey. How do you handle that?
Okay, yes. That was part of the things we spoke about. My husband said, okay, now, I know, my husband is a matured man. So he's like, Toyin, there are some things I want us to talk about. When we're in the house, yes, wife. But when it comes to your job, you're an actress, which I've accepted. So for instance, me and my husband, we don't work together.
Is that something you want to continue to happen?
Yes, and that forever. So,
but he's a great actor. Wouldn't you want to work with him? I can work in his movie, but producing together, no. Okay. He has his YouTube channel. I have my YouTube channel.
I promote his job. He promotes mine.
So anytime he wants me to act in his movie, he will just tell me, hello, you are going to be working with me for 2 days. I'm like, how much are you paying? So we'll laugh over it. Obviously, I'll go. So, but putting money together. No.
That's where it gets dicey.
But for sometimes when I want to shoot, when I was filming Ijakuma, because I did it with Film One, so I didn't have enough money because it's a big budget, and that's like my biggest budget ever. So I spoke to him that, babe, can you borrow me? On one condition, okay, normally. So sometimes you can just say, okay, add it. When the movie comes out, give me back my money. But doing business together, movie business, no, we don't. He has his businesses and I have mine.
tó ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́tí gbọ́ yóò lẹ́nu Toyin Abraham ó ti sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ o bó ṣe fẹ́ràn ọkọ ẹ̀ tó irú èèyàn tọ́kọ ẹ̀ jẹ́ bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ńgbà míì ó máa ń nira fáwọn ọkọ àtìyàwó míì láti tẹ̀síwájú nínú ìgbéyàwó wọn pàápàá tó bá ti jẹ́ wípé òṣèré làwọn méjèèjì. Toyin Abraham ti jẹ́ kó yé àwọn èèyàn pé ìgbéyàwó òun kò sí wàhálà, èèyàn dáadáa sì ni ọkọ òun. Bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ńgbà míì ẹ máa rí àwọn òṣèré míì tó jóbìnrin tó sì jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti lọ́kọ ńlé tí ẹ máa rí wọn tán máa tẹnubọ àwọn òṣèré àbáwọn olórin tán máa tẹnubọ wọn lẹ́nu tàbí kán máa gbẹ́nu sí wọn lẹ́nu. Lóòótọ́ wọ́n lè sọ pé eré làwọn ń ṣe, ṣùgbọ́n Toyin Abraham ti sọ pé maturity àti understanding ló lè ran ìgbéyàwó lọ́wọ́ àti pé òun ti mature bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn nǹkan tóun ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ òun ò ṣe é mọ́, tó sì jẹ́ pé tòótọ́ ni pé maturity ló lè ran ìgbéyàwó lọ́wọ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, báwo lẹ ṣe rọ́rọ̀ yìí sí o? Kí lẹ rí sí ohun tí òṣèré nollywood Toyin Abraham sọ nípa marriage ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú Kola Ajeyemi ọkọ ẹ̀? Ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.